Micropreemies, PVL, brain bleeds. How do I help my baby? First of all, yes, you need to post videos. I am a movement professional. I look at videos to see how a child's organizing movements. That being said, please, it's a free course. I don't care if you're home or not. Do my NICU to home course. It was created for that reason. When you have a micropreemie, not only did you experience severe hospitalization and parental deprivation, you really have to respect yourself for that. But you have to be working with every movement with that child. It's soft, it's gentle. This is the place, this is the only place you're going to be. First of all, because you need it daily. When you have a micropreemie, the biggest complication that you have is your child's in a position not to create these movements on their own. That smoothness, the quality, that initiation, all of those things come into play, and they can't come into play with the micropreemie. And this is where they get left behind. The second reason why is you're going to age adjust. We don't age adjust here. I'll age adjust for organs, lungs. You've got to be in with your medical professionals. That's your number one. Your cardiac, pulmonology, neurology. It's a lot of work. Ophthalmology. Every body part is going to need a doctor. And once you're there, why? Because you need to establish care. You're lucky you probably had a lot in the hospital if you can follow up with those professionals because you're already an established patient. But that's what you need to do. You need to be on track with your child's medical necessities first, but the movement necessities, nobody's going to be looking at. Everybody's just going to be grateful that your child made it. I'm grateful too. Your child needs movement. This is where this part comes in. So post your videos here. You want to start with that, but I'm going to put the link of the newborn, the NICU to home, and so you can start with that. And yes, your newborn movement assessment and the breathing course. We're not here to overwhelm you, but we need to rock and roll because, again, this is the biggest complication with micropreemies and some preemies, but micropreemies is that they cannot start to initiate. They've tried, but they were so tied up in the hospital that a lot of those first initiations get bypassed. So, we're here to lessen the severity of the cerebral palsy. That's true too, but we need to initiate movement, and that's your number one priority.